This is Trey for $50 Manager, and today we're talking about the power to search video by keywords on receipts, which is one of our most used and favorite features. Now, you remember the overlay, but what happens when you don't know the specific time you need to go to? You end up spending hours matching up receipts and videos, trying to find what you're looking for. Now, fast forward to today. This is the $50 Manager way. You open up your bookmark log, which is here on the left. You go in, you type in what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for error corrects. So all we need to type in is error. And it'll give us a list of all of the error corrects that show up on our Verifone Sapphire or Topaz POS system. We can search by start time, so we can go from earliest to latest or latest to earliest. And once we see what we want to look at, we can find it, find that time, double click on it, and there's the video and the receipt and the timeline and also the sound, but we don't have it activated for the purposes of this video. Now, one of the features that I like that's a pretty powerful feature is that you can create a zoom box, which is what we're doing here, this yellow box, and I can see more clearly with my high resolution camera what's going on. I can move it, and mind you, this is playback, so it's almost like a PTZ camera, so I can see the denomination and also what transaction is supposed to be going on. Now, you can search for anything, be it voids, errors, no sales, or inputs. We like to refer to these four categories as VINIs, and these are probably the most searched for things by managers. What we found that is the fewer VINIs that you have, the more profit that you're going to have. You know, the more efficiency at your cashier position, so on and so forth. So what we're going to do here now is give an example of searching for voids, and we'll type in voids. Now, it doesn't have to be voids. It could be inputs, which is another issue where someone can input a price in. You want to minimize that. But in this case, we're going to search for voids. And as you can see, we found another void ticket. Actually, we found a whole bunch of them. Got a list of them. Now, one of the things that's really powerful and really great about the $50 Manager is that the interface works similar to a web browser, where I can click on each one of these transactions and it makes a tab at the very top, as you can see where it says the new layout, and you can go through each tab and watch them, back to back. So it makes your work process and also the auditor's work process easy. So like, for instance, we have a number, about 10 or so tabs up there that we have to work through, and we just have to watch each one of those, and then that's it. It's no matching up receipts, none of this very inefficient stuff that you would normally have to do with the technology that's currently available. And so we're going to pull this one up, and again, I'm going to showcase that zoom box, which is one of my favorite features. You can see the denominations of the bills that he's putting in here and match it up with the receipts. And now you're about to be an expert in $50 Manager and using it. If you wanted more information, visit our website, give us a call, and as always, we thank you for watching and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.